Good morning, children. Today we will do the exercises and question answers of lesson number 6. Exercise 1 is take the correct answer. A gas that is an end product of photosynthesis is oxygen. Exchange of gases in leaves takes place through the stalk, main vein, stomata, leaf blade. What is the correct answer? Stomata. Removing of green color from the leaf is called bleaching. A gas essential for the process of photosynthesis is carbon dioxide. An example of a medicinal plant is neem, turmeric, cinchona, or all of these. All the three plants are used for making medicines. So, all of these is the correct answer. Next question, fill in the blanks. Trees and shrubs have tap roots. The root binds the soil particles together. The stem is called the backbone of the plant. The stem conducts water and minerals from the roots to all parts of the plants. Chlorophyll is green pigment present in the leaves. Now let us move on to the next question. Write true or false. Fibrous roots go deep into the soil. That is false. Carrot and turnip are roots that are eaten. True. Alcohol is the solution used to test the presence of starch in a leaf. That is false. No life will be possible on the earth in the absence of green plants. True. Transpiration occurs through the roots. That is false. It occurs through the leaves. Now, question answers. Answer the following questions briefly. Children, you need to note down all the question answers in your notebook. Rest of the exercises you need not do in the notebook. So, question number 1 I spoke. What is the answer of it? Green leaves require carbon dioxide, water, minerals and sunlight to prepare food. Question number 2. What happens to the food made by the plants? The food is stored as starch in different parts of the plants. Animals and humans use this as food. What is the difference between taproot and the fibrous root? Taproot, it has one long main root with many side roots. Trees and shrubs have taproots. This is, children, the taproot. This is the main root and small roots coming out of it. Now fibrous root, a cluster of small roots stem that arises from the end of the stem. For example, grass, wheat and sugarcane. Children, this is fibrous root. This is the cluster of roots that arises from the end of the stem. This is the stem. Now, what is the next question? What is the function of the stem? The function of the stem are it supports flowers and leaves on it. It conducts water and minerals to different parts of the plant. It also conducts the food prepared by the leaves to different parts of the plants. Next one is name 5 useful things that plants give us. We get gum, rubber, wood, paper and oil from the plants. Name this we have done. Next question. How do plants help to keep the air fresh and clean? Plants absorb carbon dioxide from the air and give out oxygen. This way they keep the air fresh and clean. Now the next question is define the terms. That means new words. These are the new words: stomata, bleaching, transpiration and photosynthesis. Children, you can write the answer of these 4 terms from the new words which is given on page number 52. From there you will write the answer on your own. Is it clear? Now let's move on to the HOTS. Why does a yellow leaf not produce food? A yellow leaf does not produce food because the process of photosynthesis can't take place in absence of chlorophyll. Second one, why does leaves of a plant kept in a dark room not produce starch? Leaves of a plant kept in a dark room does not produce starch because it did not get sunlight. Next one, what will happen to a plant if its roots are cut off? The plant will die because it will not get water and minerals. Moreover, it will not be able to fix itself to the ground. That's all for today, children. Now we'll meet next week. Goodbye.